Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 637, and today's topic is the health benefit of cardamom, and in Indian language we call it elaichi, and more specifically choti safed elaichi, because there are two type of cardamom. One is that is called black, big size, and other one is small one. So this cardamom is a fruit, and it is cultivated in Asian tropical countries like India, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh. There are many Asian countries, and this cardamom is very popular as a spice in Indian subcontinent because of its very sweet aroma odor, and that's why it is widely used in different type of preparations, in different type of we can say even in pan masala or in pan, that is betel leaf. So there are a lot of uses. Not only that, even as such fruit we are chewing, and it has thousands of year history of its medicinal importance, because it is mainly used to suppress the bad breath, and even it is very good for our oral health, because this chewing of elaichi seeds, cardamom, will protect your teeth, and mainly it will not allow the formation of cavity in our teeth, and also whatever the bacteria is there inside our mouth for our oral hygiene, if you chew the seeds of cardamom, it will take care. And cardamom is actually very rich in mixture of terpene that is called essential oil, and these terpenes are where the 50% is cineole, limonene, and terpineol, and also the acid of terpene. So these are all structures I have given here. That is, this structure is terpene and this is cineole, and this cineole is mainly responsible of its very sweet smell. It contains 50% in elaichi. The second one is terpenyl acetate, where acetate group is there. Third one is borneol, and then this one is terpineol. It is also called alcoholic terpene because alcoholic group is there. And this is also limonene, very powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. All are anti-inflammatory, antioxidant. And this is your pinene. So these are all the mixture of monoterpene, and they are the main constituents to make cardamom very medicinal, as well as having very good aroma. Also, cardamom is very good for our digestive system. If you have constipation or some stomach disorder, you take one fruit. Generally, people they chew the cardamom fruit, and it will release that stomach problem or constipation. It is very good for our liver, especially fatty liver. It can detoxify our liver because of the presence of these antioxidants, and they are also anti-inflammatory. And this elaichi is very good diuretic. It can flush out water from our body, excess water, and that's why it can protect our kidney also. So overall, it is very good. From medicinal point of view, and also from food flavoring point of view. It gives very good flavor to our stew, to our curry, even to our biryani food, or everywhere we are using this cardamom fruit. Sometimes we will remove the cover and we will add the seed, or sometimes the whole fruit is added. And it is also good to reduce the abdominal obesity because it can maintain or it can regulate our metabolic disorder. And you know that obesity is because of the metabolic disorder. And also, it is very much helpful as a mood booster or to control the anxiety. The reason is that once elaichi, that cardamom is taken, it will reduce your blood pressure. And mostly anxiety problem, first it starts with high blood pressure or tension or bad mood. So it can relax and it can control your anxiety. So if you are not feeling well, in bad mood or anxiety built up, just take one fruit of elaichi, I mean the cardamom, it will take care. And in our city, Lucknow, it's a very common practice that when we are visiting people, sometimes with pan or with some other chewing material, they serve elaichi just to chew. So elaichi is the part of our culture, our lifestyle, and in variety of reasons, or we can say lot of different type of uses are there, especially in Indian subcontinent. So here, the health benefits of cardamom, and that is in India commonly called is safed elaichi or choti elaichi. Number one, cardamom elaichi is dried fruit, contains seeds, and the seeds are removed from fruit when required for use. So we have to remove the seed from the fruit whenever we want to use it. And they are cultivated in tropical Asian countries like India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Sri Lanka, and especially in India, it is mainly cultivated in southern part of India like Kerala and Tamil Nadu, all those places. Number two, seeds of cardamom contain 6% essential oil, and that 6% essential oil is nothing but the mixture of different type of terpenes, and I have already given the structure of those terpenes which are present, and it is 6% essential volatile oil which mainly contain oxide of cineol, and that oxide of cineol is up to 50%, and I have given the structure of cineol, and that all the sweet odor, pleasant smell is because of the presence of cineol oxide and some other monoterpenes. And terpene alcohols like borneol, terpineol, terpene hydrocarbon, limonene, pinene, and some in small quantity starch and protein. So all this structure, different type of terpenes which are present in the form of essential oil, they are actually mixture of terpenes, volatile oil, and that is responsible of maintaining elaichi's very good medicinal and health benefits. And number three, cardamom is a spice mainly used as an aromatic, carbonative, stimulant and flavoring agent. So in Indian subcontinent, it is because of very good aromatic smell, and it is carbonative. Also it is stimulant. In many cases it is having lot of stimulants, and also it is a very good flavoring agent. In Indian subcontinent, in our all dishes, we are using the fruit of elaichi. Number four, cardamom elaichi is the spice of intense sweet flavor. Some people compare it with mint. It is having so nice sweet flavor that some people they compare it with mint flavor. And that mint is, we can isolate those mixture of terpenes. The similar type is there but not exactly same, is from, that is called pudina. So from that we can get those terpenes. It is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. It is good diuretic. It is a very good diuretic, and it can flush out the excess water from our body, and in this way it is very good to protect our kidney. and may help people with high blood pressure, those who are having tendency of high blood pressure. You take one and chew one fruit of elaichi, it will maintain your blood pressure, and by maintaining that blood pressure, your anxiety and your mood will be good. It is anti-cancerous. It can actually reduce the formation of malignant tumor. That is, latest research study shows that this mixture of anti-inflammatory and powerful antioxidant terpenes, essential oil, they are very effective in reducing or not allowing the tumor to grow, and it can stop the tumor. Number 5, it can protect liver from inflammation. Since it contains very good anti-inflammatory mixture of terpenes, so it can protect our liver from inflammation. And liver cirrhosis, liver inflammation means it's a serious issue. So if you are regularly chewing elaichi, that is cardamom, there is chance that your condition of inflammation of liver is drastically reduced. And also those people who are alcoholic, who are drinking a lot of beer or a lot of wine, they also get toxicity of their liver. So if they use this elaichi, cardamom, can detoxify the liver from alcoholic effect. And number 6, it is good to relieve from nausea and sensation of vomiting. It is very common. It is used for thousands of years. If you are feeling of nausea or some indigestion and feeling of sensation of vomiting, just take one fruit of elaichi, cardamom, and chew it, and your nausea and sensation of vomiting will be suppressed. So here, the health benefits of cardamom elaichi, and its botanical name is Eleutheria cardamora, and it belongs to family Zingiberaceae. So in continuation, number 6, it may treat bad breath and can improve oral health, and for thousands of years, people are using for this purpose to improve the oral health, to kill the bacteria inside the mouth, and also it can protect the teeth from the formation of cavity and oral bacteria in the mouth, and it can protect from the formation of cavity in the teeth. And number 7, cardamom essential oil can be effective against bacterial and fungal infections. It is very good antifungal as well as antibacterial. So it can protect us from both fungal as well as bacterial infections. It can improve oxygen uptake. Actually, one research study is also there that once we are taking the elaichi, cardamom seeds, so the essential oil, those terpenes which are present, they will activate our esophageal area or some lung capacity, and in this way the uptake of oxygen will be more, so it can help in increasing the oxygen supply in our blood system, and in this way it is very good for cardiovascular system, especially for our heart health, because it can increase the oxygen content in our blood because of uptake of oxygen, and may lower blood pressure. It is also good to lower the blood pressure, and that's why it can control anxiety. Number 8, cardamom can prevent anxiety by decreasing blood pressure and protect from liver inflammation. I have already told you, liver inflammation means liver enlargement or fatty liver. Fatty liver is generally found in those people who are either alcoholic or those who are eating lot of fatty material, meat, all these things. So it is very good for those people who are having fatty liver or liver toxicity, liver inflammation, because it is containing lot of anti-inflammatory mixture of terpenes. So with this I will stop, and Ilaichi is the part of our life as Indian. We are using lot of Ilaichi at different occasions. Even if there is marriage party, pan is served, Ilaichi is there. Even Ilaichi as such is given to everybody. So there are different ways of eating, consuming Ilaichi, and Ilaichi is very good as a antioxidant and anti-inflammatory seeds and fruits. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.